Hello, this is Katie Willie from the Pink Group. I'm going to be talking about part 3 of our group assignment for Module 3, and that part is about the sentence frames. The first sentence frame is for the sentence, "The apathetic soloist requested a raise in the serious voice on Sunday." So we start our sentence frame by writing an S. Sorry that it looks backwards on the camera. And then the first line goes down to NP, and it creates nodes going off of it. And the first word is a determinant, so the word the. The next word is an adjective, so apathetic. And then the last part of the noun phrase is the noun soloist. The second half of the sentence is the verb phrase. And it goes, the first part of the verb phrase is the verb requested. The second part is another noun phrase, and this noun phrase is broken up into 3 different parts. It has a noun phrase, prepositional phrase, and a second prepositional phrase. The first noun phrase has a determinant, so a, and then the noun raise. And then the first prepositional phrase, the preposition is in, and then the second half of the first prepositional phrase is a noun phrase, which has a determinant the, an adjective serious, and a noun voice. And then the last part of the sentence is also a prepositional phrase, and the preposition is on, the noun phrase is, and then there's a noun phrase which only has a noun in it, so Sunday. So that is the first sentence. Go this way with it. And sorry about it being backwards on the camera. Hopefully it will flip around. Alright. The second sentence is, the crusty old general had a nasty habit of spitting in the flower vases. Okay, so again, this is a whole sentence, and it's broken up into a noun phrase and a verb phrase. The noun phrase starts our sentence with a determinant, the, and then there are 2 adjectives in our noun phrase, crusty and old, and the end of the noun phrase ends with general. So there is the noun phrase. Then it goes over to the verb phrase, which the first part of it is the verb had. And then the noun phrase starts with a noun phrase, a prepositional phrase, and ends with a prepositional phrase as well. So the noun phrase, the first noun phrase of the noun phrase in the verb phrase starts with a determinant a, goes with an adjective nasty, and then noun habit. Then the first prepositional phrase, the preposition is of, and then there's a noun phrase in the prepositional phrase, and there's only a noun in spitting. And this spitting is actually a gerund, so it is a verb that is acting as a noun. And then the last prepositional phrase, the preposition is in, and then it goes into a noun phrase, and the determinant is the, adjective is flower, and the noun is vases. So that is that part of the sentence. The last sentence is, the wily priest with the shaven head grabbed the branch with his bony hands. So again, this is a sentence, and it's broken up into a noun phrase and a verb phrase. The noun phrase has a determinant, adjective, noun, and prepositional phrase in it. So the determinant is the adjective is wily, the noun is priest, and then the prepositional phrase is broken down, and the preposition is with, and then there's a noun phrase in the prepositional phrase, and this noun phrase has a determinant the, adjective shaven, and a noun head. So that is that part of the sentence, the noun phrase. Then we break off into the verb phrase, and the verb phrase starts with the verb grabbed, and then there is a noun phrase that has a determinant the and a noun branch. And then the last part of the sentence is a prepositional phrase, the preposition being with, and then the noun phrase of the prepositional phrase is starts with a determinant his, an adjective bony, and a noun hands. So that is the verb phrase for this sentence as well. So these are the 3 sentences for part 3 of our group project for Pink Group. This is again Katie Willie, and that is how we do sentence frames.